in the midst of a nationwide strike today, Friday, June 20. With disruptions hitting public transport across Friuli Venezia Giulia, especially in Trieste. The strike protests government defense spending, worker conditions, and Italy's ties with Israel.
We were hoping that we could catch the train around 5 p.m., but now we can't.
Yeah, there are 2 trains cancelled. Yeah.
Arrivate, però dovremmo prendere quello delle 6, ma non siamo sicure, infatti siamo arrivate qui prima per questo motivo.
The strike affected you today?
Yeah, a bit.
How?
I'm a student at the university, and this morning I had to drive here to come because otherwise I couldn't attend my exam. And now I have to hope to be manage to go home.
I'm waiting here for like 3 hours.
We're waiting from 8 a.m. I think in the morning. We had a ticket at 8:45 from the Trieste airport.
I think few hours.
Like more than 1 hour?
Yes, about 3. We are going to the airport to come back to our country, and we don't know if we don't be late for.
Not more than an hour and a half.
Venezia, it stops at Udine, so it's okay.